Hello everybody, today we are looking at the Tool Daily foam cannon. This foam cannon is meant to be used with a high pressure washer. It comes with your reservoir, the foam cannon with the nozzle. Then it comes with 5 additional pressure washer nozzles, as well as a little pin in here to clean out any orifices. The instruction manual is a solitary piece of paper. However, it comes with not only all of the components kind of laid out so you understand how everything's assembled, but it comes with repair instructions, which I thought was pretty neat. So we're going to be using that in conjunction with the Chemical Guys Tough Mudder Truck Wash to wash off this muddy equipment today. Alright, so we've added our solution. This is a 1 liter capacity. We've attached the hose to draw up the liquid. And one thing I forgot to mention in the earlier clip was this is a standard quick detach style pressure washer fitting. So should fit common pressure washers, and then we got a dial which will regulate the amount of foam or solution it's utilizing for the wash. So let's get to work. Alright, finished up with the foam cannon, and I must say I'm very happy. It's very nice not having to scrub these machines down. They look phenomenal. I'm gonna look professional arriving to the job sites with these. Made it extremely simple. Check out the Tool Daily foam cannon. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Comes with a lot of extras, including that good repair manual. So check it out. Don't think you'll be disappointed. Thanks for tuning in.